Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your radio on a Dodge Dart. So first you want to go ahead and take off this top piece. So how to take it off, you want to hold it, lift up on it and pull, lift up on it like that and pull forward and it will come off like that. Alright, so you just want to lift up and pull forward and it should come off. Then you're gonna have some Phillips screw back there. So you have one right there, another one right there, one more right there, one right there, one right there, one right there, one right there, and another one over there. So you want to go ahead and take off all those Phillips screw to take off this front part. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So now is the part where I'm gonna take out all the screws that I showed you previously, and it's gonna be a Phillips screwdriver. So let's go ahead and take them out. Alright, go ahead and take out the screws. Alright, so I take out all my screws there, so you can hold this and lift this up. Okay, I forget one screw back there, right here. So I'm gonna take that one out. And guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Help me help you. Alright, this next car could be your next problem I'm working on. Alright, so help me help you. Take out the screw right here and everything should come all the way up. Alright, and please go ahead and hit the thumbs up. And guys, thank you for helping out with the channel. Thank you for your donation. I'll be getting a few donations. Thank you. Go ahead, I'm gonna, if you like, you can leave a small donation. I'm gonna leave a link to my PayPal in the description box below. Alright, so you just want to pull on this like that and drop the steering wheel a little bit down and take this out right here. Alright, and there's one screw down right there. There's a screw right there. And there's none over this side. Get it to focus. There's none over this side. But there's one screw right here, alright? A Phillips screw. I'm going to take it out. Need my 2-1 for that. So basically what I do, I lower the steering wheel, pull it forward to you, pull it towards you, and pull this towards you too, and you will get access to the screw that was there. Now the whole thing come up. Take out the whole thing like that. Alright, now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws to take off. Alright, and it's also going to be a Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screw, so you need a Phillips screwdriver. And you're gonna need to know your parts number for the radio, so you can order the parts, the correct radio for this car. Alright, because I'm gonna get it from a junkyard, from LKQ, or you can get it online too, but you need to know the part number because you have a lot of different radio for this car. Alright, and also when you finish with this, you can hold the radio and pull it out. can go ahead and unplug this back here. Alright, I'll show you. So basically how this clip works, you squeeze here and you pull back on it. So just gonna push it out and pull on it at the same time. Alright, this clip right here, you gotta squeeze right here, and that will take that out. Alright, you want to look here for your radio information. The port number is right here, so you want to make sure you have that, and the serial number. Alright, guys, so it turned out that you only need the port number. I would say go on online and get it from the on eBay or something, because it's cheaper to get it there. So you just need a port number, whatever port number on your radio. So before you change your radio, you probably have to take out the radio, get the port number, then go on eBay and get it. Or if your radio look just like this, the basic one, you probably can use this port number and get it. Alright, so when you get the radio, you're gonna need the VIN for that car, because when you put in the radio gonna ask you for a PIN. So you're gonna need the VIN for that car, and also to call the dealer with the port number or the serial number and the VIN for the car. So when you take out your radio, you want to snap a picture of this, and also when you get your new radio, you also want to snap a picture of this, and you want to get the VIN for the car the radio come from. Alright, so I'm getting it from the junkyard, so they go from $30 to like $70, anywhere between there. Alright guys, so I called the dealer and I give them the information of the radio, the port number, and also the serial, and I give them the VIN that I get the radio from. So I think I got this one from the junkyard, and it come with a VIN on it. I think most of them on eBay will come with a VIN too, but I get the VIN for the radio from the car they took it from. Call the dealer, tell them these numbers, and also tell them the VIN and these numbers, and also ask them for the code to unlock the radio, which they give it to me, and this code is 2254. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect the radio back up and install it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect the main switch right here, the main plug right here. You can hear the radio working already. And also I want to go ahead and put this right here and plug this into the back of the radio and put this right here. And don't go like that, go the other way. Alright, so it should look like that when you plug it in. Alright, it's time to put the radio in and put your screws in. At this point, I'll go ahead and turn the car on. For the radio to come on. So now it say enter the code. And the code I got was 2. That's not pressing. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it off. So guys, This is not the way how you enter the code. I didn't know. You gotta turn the knob. So it's 2. You gotta turn the knob to number 2. Press enter. Skip to the next one. Turn it to 2. Press enter. Turn it to 5. Press enter and turn it to 4. And it will say radio enable after that. Keep in mind that my code might not work for your radio, so you gotta call the dealer and get your code and then your unique code for your radio, and it will work. So that's how you enter the code. I'll just find a station. I don't want to play any music because of copyright policy, but that's how you do it. Now it's just to put back your screws. Take 4 screws for the radio. Go ahead and put your screws in. Alright, then tighten them up, alright? I'm gonna Alright, now it's time to put back your face. Your radio face. Alright. You want to put it back. Everything good over here too. Make sure all your everything line up right there. And your screw hold on there. Make sure your line up here as well. You want to go ahead and put in all your screws. Alright, so after you get that part, this part in, make sure it's lined up. You want to come and get the second part. You want to make sure this right here line up with that hole right there. And when that line up, everything should fall into place, and then you want to get your screws and install all of them. Alright, alright, so I already tightened down my screws. Oh, I gotta tighten down this one. Alright, so the screws that I can't catch with the drill, I tighten them down, which you don't need a drill if you don't have a drill. Alright. And I also tighten up this one down here too. So alright, so after you tighten all your screws, you want to double check, make sure you got all of them. Alright, and then you want to go ahead and put the top piece on. Alright. So alright, top piece is on. Make sure you lock it in right. You gotta squeeze here. You see how it look? Alright, let me get it to focus. You see how it look? You wanna go ahead and squeeze this up so it can lock under. Alright, then it should look like that when it's finished. Alright, everything should be nice. Everything should be nice and tight and in place. Now this part, you just want to push this back in. Bring that back up. Alright guys, so after I do that, I want to double check everything, make sure everything is nice and locked in. Alright, so yeah, radio work. And guys, thank you for your love and support. Please go ahead and go down below and hit that subscribe and like button. Help me help you. You can go ahead and leave a small donation. Doesn't have to be much. I'll appreciate it, no matter what it is. And thank you for your love and support. See you next time.